Hello guys, so to begin the tutorial we're going to be jumping into the eyebrows. I'm going to begin with the Anastasia eyebrow pencil in the shade Chocolate, and then to clean them up I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer in the shade Cafe. I'll take my LA Girl Pro Conceal Corrector and I'm just going to be using this to even out the darkness underneath my eyes. And then after that I'm going to be taking my Giorgio Armani Longwear High Cover Foundation in the shade 13. And then after that I'm going to be using my Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut. To set my concealer, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. Followed by that, I'm going to be using the Airspan Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Warrior Second by Juvia's palette, and I'm going to begin with the shade Yodit and then followed by Kufuru. So while I was recording, my camera timed out and I didn't realize until after I finished my eye look, but I just darkened my outer corners with the Warrior by Juvia's palette, and I used the darkest shade, which is Mino. And then for my lid, I used this MAC yellow shade, and then I'm just gonna line my eyes using the Better Than Sex eyeliner by Too Faced. After that, I'm just gonna pop on some lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Sephora blush in matte that I'm currently holding in my hand, and I'm just gonna apply a quick lippy. It's a nude drugstore lip. I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, and that'll be the end of the look. And thank you so much for tuning in today, and until next time, bye.